Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry, exercise 11.4. In that today we will learn how to solve a fourth problem. So first we will write the problem. Show that 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1 equals to tan square A. This we need to show. Yes. So show means what we have to do. Take any one thing, LHS or RHS. Suppose if I take LHS and we need to simplify LHS, then we need to get RHS answer. That's it. Okay. So let us take LHS. What is LHS? Given 1 minus tan square A divided by cot square A minus 1. This is the LHS given. That is equals to. Now observe this carefully, step by step you observe, okay? Yes. 1 minus tan square A, we can write it as tan square A, we can write it as sin square A by cos square A, we can write, okay? Yes. In the same way, cot square A, we can write as cos square A by sin square A minus 1. So in this step what we did, we wrote tan square A as sin square A by cos square A, cot square A as cos square A by sin square A, like that we wrote. Here 1 we have now, you write 1 by 1. This also same, 1 by 1 you write. Now take the LCM. In the third step, take the LCM. 1 cos square A, 1 cos square A, both LCM you will get cos square A. For this both 1 and cos square A, LCM is cos square A, okay? Yes. Now how to write numerator values. So this method already I said. Take this first fraction. Take the first fraction. This is the first fraction, 1 by 1. 1 by 1, that should be multiplied with LCM, cos square A. 1 1 cancel. What is the answer? Cos square A. So that cos square A, write it here. Next we have minus sign there. Minus. Take second fraction. Second fraction is sin square A by cos square A. That also should be multiplied with LCM, cos square A. Cos square A cancel. Remaining sin square A right now. That is numerator answer. In the denominator we have this one. For this sin square A 1. For this both, what is the LCM? LCM is sin square A. That is the LCM, okay? Okay. Numerator, how to write? Same process. First fraction here. What is the first fraction? That is cos square A divided by sin square A. That should be multiplied with LCM. LCM is what? Sin square A. So sin square A cancel. Remaining cos square A. Write it here. Minus symbol we have. Write minus symbol. Next fraction is 1 by 1. Multiply with LCM. 1 1 cancel. Answer sin square A. Write it here. This is third step. Second step we wrote tan square A, sin square A by cos square A, cot square A as cos square A by sin square A. In the third step we took LCM. 1 and cos square A, LCM is cos square A. Then in the numerator we will get these values. How to get these values? By using this concept. Okay. In the denominator also we took LCM for sin square A and 1. We got sin square A. In the numerators, this values how we got? By using this. That is third step. Now that is equals to numerator as it is, right? Numerator what we have? Cos square A minus sin square A divided by cos square A. That is the numerator value. Denominator what we have? Denominator we have cos square A minus sin square A by sin square A. That we want to write in the numerators. So denominator, if you want to write beside numerator, this denominator value, if you want to write beside this numerator, we have to write reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Reverse. So we have to write like this: sin square A divided by cos square A minus sin square A. Like this we have to write. Now we can cancel. What we can cancel? Cos square A minus sin square. This both you can cancel. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A you can cancel. So cancel this. Remaining you write now. Remaining will be sin square A by cos square A. So sin square A by cos square A is nothing but tan square A. That is nothing but RHS. Our problem is completed. See here, tan square A RHS. We took LHS. We simplified like this. We got RHS answer. That's it. Okay. Thank you.